Through the Mansour Dairy and Food Company, otherwise known as SECLAM, we manufacture high-quality dairy products for distribution across Egypt, Africa and the Middle East. SECLAM relaunched pasteurized milk in Egypt under the brand name Labanita and followed that with Labanita yogurt, Rayeb fermented milk, drinkable yogurt and various cheese products. SECLAM was also the first to produce juice in PET bottles with sports caps under the brand name Yes. The SECLAM factory, purchased in 1998 and located in Alexandria, has been modernized, and our facilities there are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and testing laboratories. Our products carry comprehensive ISO certifications and are quality graded from EOS in UHT milk, processed cheese and white feta cheese.